Welcome! This is DJI Flip FLY MORE combo, and in this video I'll show how you can enable the regular photo shooting mode. So at the start you will obviously need to launch the camera view on your RC2 or any other remote controller you have in use. Now look to the top of the shutter button and tap on or tap at whatever icon you'll find here, since depending on the particular shooting mode you have selected, this icon will be different or will differ. Now tap on it, select the photo mode, of course, and now to the left of the shooting mode selection, press single. And that's it, you are now, or your drone now, is in the regular photo shooting mode. And well, should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.